STEM is opportunity. Opportunity for the nation to experience economic growth and innovation, an opportunity for individuals to participate in that growth, to provide for their families, to experience greater wealth in their communities. STEM is also the future of work, and the future is upon us. So what is the state of STEM in America today? The state of STEM is on one hand quite strong. Lots of jobs, lots of innovation, lots of growth, lots of great paying jobs, I might add. But on the other hand, it's also a bit challenging. And those challenges become a gap in STEM talent. And not just one gap between the number of jobs and the number of job seekers, but 5 gaps, 5 different STEM talent gaps that present themselves in different ways depending where in the country you sit, depending what industry you're in, or what you look like. Those gaps show up in a different way. So why is cross-sector STEM work and STEM investment critical? Not just a single sector, but all of us working together. Well, it's because STEM is indeed everywhere. It's in all industries and all occupations. It's something that all students require, not just some, not just the best and the brightest, the all A students, but all students require some level of fluency in these knowledge, skills, and mindsets to be successful in the new economy. And that's something that takes all of us to cultivate. It takes educators at all levels, it takes business, nonprofit, government, all of us working hand in hand to create more opportunity for individuals and for the economy.